Have you ever wondered why some people seem to have a knack for growing wealth, while others struggle to get ahead? The truth isn't in how much you earn, but in what you do with your money. Today, I'm going to share 10 investment strategies designed for beginners. Practical, proven, and life-changing. These strategies are simple but powerful, and I'll even reveal a secret about wealth building that you probably haven't considered. Ready to dive in? Let's go. Harness the power of compound interest. If there's one thing every beginner investor must understand, it's compound interest. Often called the eighth wonder of the world, compound interest allows your money to grow exponentially over time. Here's how it works. When you invest money and it earns returns, those returns start earning returns as well. Let's break it down with an example. Say you invest $1,000 at an annual return of 8%, adding $100 each month. In 30 years, you'd have over $150,000 just from small contributions and patience. But here's the kicker. More than half of that amount would come from interest, not your contributions. The takeaway? Start investing as early as possible, even if it's a small amount. The longer your money has to grow, the more powerful compound interest becomes. Set clear financial goals. Before diving into investments, know why you're doing it. Are you saving for retirement, a home, or financial freedom? Clear goals help shape your investment strategy. For long-term goals like retirement, high-growth options like stocks might make sense. For shorter-term goals, consider low-risk options like bonds or high-yield savings accounts. Once you've defined your goals, set a timeline and dollar amount you want to achieve. Write these goals down. Studies show that people who write their goals are more likely to achieve them. When you invest with purpose, you'll stay motivated and focused. Learn the basics of investing. Investing can feel overwhelming at first, but a little education goes a long way. Start by learning key terms like stocks, bonds, ETFs, and index funds. Understand how the market works and the different types of investments available. There are plenty of resources to get you started. Books like The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. Financial websites such as Investopedia or Morningstar. YouTube channels focused on beginner-friendly content. The goal isn't to become a financial expert overnight. Instead, focus on building a foundation of knowledge that will help you make informed decisions. Diversify your portfolio. Think of diversification as a safety net. By spreading your investments across different asset types and industries, you reduce the risk of a single investment derailing your portfolio. For beginners, index funds and ETFs are excellent choices. These funds pool money to invest in a variety of assets, providing instant diversification. If one stock in the fund performs poorly, others might balance it out. Take it a step further by diversifying across asset classes. Invest in a mix of stocks, bonds, and real estate. Even alternative investments like precious metals or peer-to-peer lending can add stability to your portfolio. Start small with consistent contributions. Many people think they need a lot of money to start investing, but that's a myth. Thanks to investment apps like Robinhood, Acorns, and Stash, you can begin with as little as $5. The secret is consistency. Set up automatic contributions to your investment accounts, no matter how small. Over time, these contributions grow into something substantial. For example, investing $50 a month at a 7% return may not seem like much, but over 10 years, it can grow to nearly $9,000. Every small step counts when you're building wealth. Understand and manage risk. Risk is an unavoidable part of investing, but managing it wisely can save you from major losses. Every type of investment carries its own level of risk. Stocks are high risk, but offer high rewards. Bonds are low risk, but generally have lower returns. Real estate can be stable, but requires more upfront capital. Assess your own risk tolerance by asking yourself how much volatility you're comfortable with. Younger investors often lean toward higher-risk investments because they have more time to recover from market downturns. If you're closer to retirement, you might prioritize preserving capital over chasing high returns. Take advantage of tax-advantaged accounts. One of the best ways to maximize your investments is by utilizing tax-advantaged accounts like 401ks or IRAs. These accounts allow your money to grow tax-free or tax-deferred, depending on the type of account. If your employer offers a 401k match, take full advantage of it. It's essentially free money. Even if you can't max out your contributions, anything you invest will grow faster with tax advantages. For self-employed individuals, consider a SEPI IRA or solo 401k for similar benefits. Avoid emotional decision-making. The stock market can be an emotional roller coaster. Prices fluctuate daily, and it's easy to let fear or greed dictate your decisions. But making impulsive moves, like panic selling during a downturn, can cost you in the long run. The key is to stick to your plan. Markets have always recovered from downturns, and patient investors often come out on top. Use tools like dollar-cost averaging to invest consistently, regardless of market conditions. This strategy helps you buy more shares when prices are low and fewer shares when prices are high. Monitor and rebalance your portfolio. Your investment strategy isn't set it and forget it. Over time, some assets in your portfolio will outperform others, throwing your original allocation out of balance. For instance, if you intended to have 70% in stocks and 30% in bonds, a stock market rally might shift that balance to 80% stocks and 20% bonds. This imbalance increases your risk exposure. Rebalancing, usually once a year, restores your portfolio to its original allocation, ensuring it aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. Be patient and think long-term. Building wealth through investing is a marathon, not a sprint. It's easy to get discouraged by slow progress or distracted by short-term market noise, but patience is the ultimate key to success. For example, the S&P 500 has historically delivered an average annual return of about 8% over the past century. Yet year to year, it has experienced extreme highs and lows. Those who held on through the tough times reap the rewards in the long run. Think of investing like planting a tree. You don't see results overnight, but if you nurture it, your tree will grow tall and strong, providing benefits for years to come. Investing may seem complex at first, but with these 10 strategies, you have everything you need to get started. Remember, the most important step is the first one. Start today, be consistent, and stay focused on your goals. If this video helped simplify investing for you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tips on growing your wealth. Let's make smart financial decisions together. See you in the next video.